You are watching to your favorite channel, Ask Me Anything. Fifth question of the Ask Me Anything is made in request of my subscriber Samsat. She proposes me to make a video on geography and culture of Manipur. As the scope of cultural geography is quite large, I will bring this video in two parts. This video will be the first part which covers the basic geography of Manipur. Please stay tuned till the end of the video. Let us see now why Manipur is called a Switzerland of East by Lord Irwin, a jewel of India by Jawaharlal Nehru. Manipur is the only land in the world which has a floating lake called Loktak Lake and floating park called Kaiba Lamjao National Park in Bishnupur district of Manipur, the northeast India. It is a land with Shanghai, Siri Lily, Juko Lily, Nongin and with so many natural beauties. Manipur is located in Himalayan region. The hills of Manipur are southward extension of Himalayas. The state Manipur is divided into the central plain and the hills which surround the plains. Manipur has an area of 22,327 square kilometers, of which the plain or valley area is around 2,238 square kilometers in the center, and the surrounding hills and mountains cover around 20,089 square kilometers. Its total length of boundary is 854 kilometers, of which 352 kilometers is international boundary, with Myanmar on the east and remaining 502 kilometers touches the state Nagaland on the north, Assam on the west and Mizoram on the south and the southwest. It is located between latitudes of 23 degree 51 minute north to 25 degree 41 minute north and longitudes of 92 degree 59 minute east to 94 degree 45 minute east. The hills and the mountains. The hills of Manipur has parallel ranges and a series of valleys. These hills run from the Naga Hills in the north to the Chin and Mizo Hills in the south. The Imphal Valley divides the hills into Eastern Hills and Western Hills. The Eastern Hills is continuous chain along the boundary between Manipur and Myanmar. The Chingai, the Mapitel, the Mulian, Yamudong are the important ranges of Eastern Hills, and some peaks are Kayangbung, Sirui and Kachaubung. The world-famous Sirui lily grows on the Sirui Hills in Okrul. The western hills run along the boundary between Assam and Manipur. The Yangpu Jilong, the Daimi Kilong, the Kobru, the Kalanaga, Wangai, etc. are the important ranges of the western hills. Mount Isho or Tanipu, the highest peak in Manipur, lies in the northwestern part of Mao. Juko Valley is situated at the foot of this mountain. Other peaks of the western hills are Lekot, Tampaba and Kabru. The Central Plain. Imphal River flows through the middle of the Central Plain. Thus, this Central Plain is called Imphal Valley. The north-south extent of the valley is about 60 kilometers and the east-west extent is about 30 kilometers. Few isolated hills and long, narrow hilltops are also found in the valley. The valley slopes from north to south, so the rivers of the valley rise in the highlands of the north and flow towards the south. The Imphal Valley was formed by the filling up of an ancient lake. A part of the lake is still found in the southern part of the valley called the Loktak Lake. The central plain is very fertile and most of the people of Manipur live in the central plain since the farming and transport of goods are much easier in the plain. The Imphal River doesn't fall in Loktak Lake but flows southwards and enters the Chin Hills of Myanmar. It is also known as Manipur River. It falls into the Chintwin River of Myanmar. River system of Manipur. The state has four major river basins. The Barak River basins to the west, the Manipur River basin in central Manipur, the Ur River basin in the east, and a portion of the Lanwe River basin in the north. The Barak River, the largest of Manipur, originates in the Manipur Hills and is joined by tributaries such as the Irang, Maku and Tuiwai. After its junction with the Tuiwai, the Barak River turns north, which forms the border with Assam state and then enters the Kasha, Assam just above Lakhipur. The Manipur River basin has 8 major rivers: the Manipur, Imphal, Iril, Nambul, Sekmai, Chakpi, Thobal and Khuga. All these rivers originate from the surrounding hills. Almost all the rivers in the valley area are in the mature stage and therefore deposit their sediment lot in the Loktak Lake. The rivers draining the Manipur hills are comparatively young due to the hill terrain through which they flow. These rivers are corrosive and assume turbulent for in rainy seasons. Important rivers draining the western area include the Maku, Barak, Juri, Irang, and Laimatak. The Yu River basin in the eastern part of the state is drained by Chamu, Kunao, and other salt streams. Now let us look to the climate. Manipur's climate is largely influenced by the topography of the region. Lying 790 meters above sea level, this northeastern corner of India enjoys a generally amiable climate. Though the winters can be chilly, the maximum temperature in the summer months is 32 degrees Celsius. The coldest month is January and the warmest is July. The state receives an average annual rainfall of 1,468 millimeters between April and mid-October. Precipitation ranges from light drizzles to heavy downpour. The capital city Imphal receives an annual average of 933 millimeters. Rainfall in this region is caused by the southwesterly monsoon picking up moisture from the Bay of Bengal and heading toward the eastern Himalayas ranges. These normal rainfall patterns of Manipur enriches the soil and much of the agrarian activities are dependent on it as well. Coming to the flora and fauna of Manipur. Natural vegetation occupies an area of about 14,365 square kilometers, nearly 64% of the total geographical area of the state, and consists of short and tall grasses, reeds and bamboos, and trees. There are 4 types of forests: tropical semi-evergreen, dry temperate forest, subtropical pine, and tropical moist deciduous. There are forests of thick pine, oak, uningtho, lehau, bamboo, and cane. Rubber, tea, coffee, orange, and cardamom are grown in hill areas. Rice is a staple food of Manipuris. Now coming to the fauna, Manipur is blessed with rich native wildlife. Some of them fall under endangered category. It has rich wildlife from big carnivores to microfauna. Among big carnivores, it has tigers, leopards, clouded leopards, black panther, Malayan, sun bear, and Himalayan black bear. Migratory elephants have also been reported in some parts of the state. It is an important home of endangered and endemic primates, that is, Hulok given, stump-tailed macaque, Assamese macaque, pit-tailed macaque, etc. Manipur is also the home of 6 species of hornbills and 4 species of pheasant. The state falls in the East Asian migratory flyway of Amur falcon and many other migratory birds. The other important wild animals which are endangered or rare and found in Manipur forests include slow loris, pangolin, Himalayan yellow-throated marten, monitor lizards, hawk deer, hawk badger, binturong, etc. Manipur has a plentiful of resources, but for these I will make a separate video. Please watch part 2 of this video from my channel. Thank you for watching Ask Me Anything. Please like, comment and subscribe for more interesting questions and new updates. You can also leave a question in a comment below that you wanted to know.